So what is the meaning of this C01, C02 which we come across whenever we try to schedule an AWS exam? Welcome to channel Skill Philip, and in this video we will try to understand what are these codes and why AWS is using them. Now I have logged in into my AWS training and certification account, and in the upcoming exams tab, if I scroll down, if I try to schedule an exam, I can see the list of exams which is available, and this is the mysterious exam code which is visible in front of this list. I can see for SysOps and for the other exams it is C01, for Solutions Architect C02 and Advanced Networking Specialty C00. So what is the meaning of these numbers? The simple answer is those are exam versions. So when you say C00, it is the very first version released for the Advanced Networking Specialty exam from the time it was first launched. And we can say similarly for this other exams, maybe they have been revised to version 1, and for the Solutions Architect Associate, we can say that it has been revised to version 2. Now from where can we get the more details about these versions, which one is the current version, which one has got expired? When you search about coming soon to AWS certification page and you scroll down, here all the latest updates about revisions or the latest exam versions which are coming is displayed. Okay, so today is 3rd of May 2021 and this was posted on 8th April, and what it says is that SysOps exam is coming with a new version, that is C02, and it will be live or available from June 29th. What additional information can we see here? That is the first day to attempt for this new version is 29 June, and the last date to attempt the old version is 1 month after 29 June, that is 26 July. Okay, and some additional information is provided about the exam. What are the new changes? Here is the changed pattern or the exam outline for C02, and similarly we can check the exam outline for the previous C01 version and the syllabus for the new exam and the sample questions for the new exam. Okay, we understood that this code means that is the latest or the current version of this exam. We can see here it is C02, the upcoming one, but currently SysOps is active for C01 and will be then soon changed around in June or July. Okay, we understood all this. But then, what is the need of adding these new versions or revising these exams? There are two main reasons why AWS does that. First thing, AWS keeps on adding the changes or upgrades or improvements to their AWS services. Based on that, the knowledge or the concepts of these services keep on changing, and according to that, the AWS certification exam syllabus has to be changed. Second thing, the pattern has to be changed for the exam, the difficulty level has to be adjusted, and based on the feedback from the candidates, the AWS subject matter experts keep on adding the extra details into the exam or maybe remove some unnecessary details. They can also think of changing the exam pattern, maybe adding more MCQs, maybe reducing the number of MCQs, maybe making the exam more difficult or less difficult, or anything they feel which needs to be added or revised in their exam. So on time to time basis, AWS keeps on revising these exams, and to address these revisions or the versions of this exam properly, they have named them in the form of these codes. So using this, they can clearly tell us that okay, from July you won't be able to attempt this old exam which is C01, you can attempt the C02, and so on. So hope you got the information about what are the meaning of those exam codes. If you liked this video, then please subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.